Running out of space on your current drive? Or maybe you just upgraded to a faster SSD and want Windows to live there. Stick around, we will show you exactly how to move Windows to another drive safely and efficiently without losing your files or settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are walking you through how to move Windows to another drive. Whether you are upgrading hardware or just reorganizing storage, we will cover the step-by-step process to migrate your OS smoothly. Let's dive in. Method 1. Use a cloning tool. You can move Windows to another drive by cloning the old drive using a third-party tool, creating and restoring a system image backup, or performing a fresh installation. Cloning is the most popular method for an identical copy, while a system image is a backup that can be restored, and a fresh installation creates a clean OS on the new drive. Here is what to do. Get the new drive, choose an SSD or HDD. If SATA, have a SATA cable ready. Ensure the new drive has more free space than the space currently used on your C drive. If the destination drive has data, back it up. The clone will erase it. Download and install Ease US Partition Master or similar such free tools. Confirm your current C drive has enough headroom and close open apps before cloning. Now, open Ease US Partition Master, launch the app on Windows 11. Click Disk Clone or the Clone module. Choose Migrate OS, then click on Next. Choose your new SSD or HDD as the target. The tool warns the target will be erased. Click Yes if you have backed up. Verify system and boot partitions are included. Start the clone and wait for the process to complete. Duration depends on data size and drive speed. Don't use the PC while cloning. Once done, restart your PC. As the screen goes black, press the BIOS or the UEFI key. Common keys are F2, F12 or delete. Check your motherboard manual if unsure. Now open boot menu, find boot or boot priority settings. Set your new SSD or HDD as the primary boot device. Apply changes and restart. Windows should now load from the new drive. It may look the same. This is expected after a clone. Here are some post-migration checks. Open File Explorer, verify C drive resides on the new physical drive. Run Win+X, then select Disk Management. Look for flags. The new drive should now boot System Active Primary Partition on the OS partition. Next, enable trim. To do that, open an elevated command prompt window and run the command. If the result is 0, it means trim is enabled. After confirming stable boots, you can wipe or repurpose the old drive. Method 2. Use a system image backup. This method creates a backup of your current system and then restores it to the new drive. Here is the complete step-by-step process. Plug in an external hard drive with enough free space to store the image. The image size will be roughly equal to the used space on your system drive. Press Win+S, type Control Panel and select it. In Control Panel, set View by to large icons, click Backup and Restore. On the left sidebar, select Create a System Image. Choose where to save the backup. Options include on a hard disk, on one or more DVDs, on a network location. Select your preferred option and click Ready. Restart your PC and boot from either a system repair disk created earlier or a Windows installation USB. Choose Repair your computer, then Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, click System Image Recovery. Choose Windows 11 as the target operating system. Connect your external drive containing the system image. The wizard will detect the image automatically. If not, browse manually to the backup location. Follow the prompts to restore the system image onto the new drive. This will override the drive with your original Windows installation, apps and settings. Once restoration completes, restart your PC. Windows should boot from the new drive exactly as it was before. And that's it. Your Windows installation should now be running from the new drive, giving you more space and better performance. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Still facing issues or found a different migration method that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. Let's share knowledge and keep the Windows community strong. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video.